Welcome back to Tech Goods, where we explore products that bring together style, innovation, and practicality for everyday living. In this review, we are focusing on a piece of bedroom furniture that combines mid-century modern elegance with dependable construction. The George Oliver Whitman solid wood low-profile mid-century modern platform bed is designed to offer a refined appearance while providing long-term stability and comfort. We will take a detailed look at its design, materials, structural stability, comfort, ease of assembly, and overall value. We will also consider what real customers have to say about their experience with this bed. By the end of this review, you will know whether this piece deserves a place in your home. The George Oliver Whitman platform bed immediately captures attention with its mid-century modern design. Rounded legs and a warm wood-toned finish give it a timeless yet versatile look. Its low-profile frame contributes to a clean and minimalist style that can make any bedroom feel more spacious. This bed does not dominate the room, but instead enhances the overall atmosphere with subtle elegance. It blends effortlessly into a variety of decor styles from classic to contemporary. This bed features a solid wood frame combined with an engineered wood headboard. The solid wood provides natural warmth and strength, while the engineered wood in the headboard ensures consistent durability and resistance to warping. Every joint and connection feels precise and secure. The smooth finish adds to its visual appeal and also reflects attention to detail in craftsmanship. This is a bed built not only for appearance but also for dependable performance over many years. The frame is designed to provide strong and consistent support. The twin-size model can hold up to 350 pounds, while the larger sizes can handle up to 700 pounds. Closely spaced wooden slats provide a stable and breathable surface for the mattress without requiring a box spring. This design helps regulate airflow and temperature while also extending the life of the mattress. The low-profile build ensures a sturdy and grounded feel with no wobbling or instability. Although the bed frame itself does not alter the firmness of a mattress, it does influence overall comfort by creating a solid and balanced foundation. With evenly spaced slats and strong frame construction, the mattress maintains consistent support across its entire surface. This means there are no uneven areas or creaking noises when shifting positions during the night. The low height of the frame also makes it easy to get in and out of bed, which is convenient for a wide range of users. The George Oliver Whitman platform bed is designed for straightforward assembly. All components, including tools, parts, and step-by-step instructions, are packed neatly in a single box. Each part is clearly labeled, which reduces confusion during the process. Assembly can typically be completed in less than an hour with the help of another person. The accurate fit of each component means there is no struggle to align holes or force pieces into place. This is a product made with the user's convenience in mind from the very beginning. Customers have reported positive experiences with this bed. One customer noted that the quality of the hardware was excellent and that the assembly process was smooth and problem-free. Another customer praised the bed for being comfortable, solid, and well-designed. They highlighted the quality of the wood and appreciated the thoughtful way the mattress is secured with Velcro strips. These testimonials show that the attention to detail and quality materials are noticeable to those who purchase and use the bed. Mid-century modern style is defined by its balance of function and aesthetics. The George Oliver Whitman bed captures this perfectly by combining clean lines and simple forms with durable materials and practical design features. The low-profile construction complements modern spaces, while the rounded legs and warm wood tones offer a touch of retro charm. This is a piece that can anchor a bedroom design without overpowering it, ensuring it remains relevant through changing trends. A bed is a long-term investment, and this model is built to last. The solid wood frame offers exceptional strength, while the engineered wood headboard remains stable and resistant to environmental changes. The protective finish helps guard against daily wear. The weight capacity ensures it can handle regular use without bending or breaking. Its combination of durability and timeless design means it will not need to be replaced frequently, making it a smart purchase for those seeking long-term value. The main strengths of the George Oliver Whitman bed include its attractive mid-century modern styling, solid wood frame, excellent weight capacity, breathable slatted base, and easy assembly process. Potential drawbacks include its lower clearance, which limits underbed storage, and the use of engineered wood in the headboard, which may not appeal to those seeking an entirely solid wood build. However, these limitations are minor when weighed against its quality, style, and functionality. After closely examining the George Oliver Whitman solid wood low-profile mid-century modern platform bed, it is clear that it successfully delivers on both form and function. It is stylish enough to enhance a bedroom's visual appeal while strong enough to offer dependable performance over many years. Its easy assembly, breathable mattress support, and solid weight capacity make it a well-rounded choice for a wide range of households. This is a piece of furniture that offers both immediate satisfaction and long-term reliability. This concludes our in-depth review of the George Oliver Whitman solid wood low-profile mid-century modern platform bed. If you enjoyed this detailed look and found it useful, remember to like the video, subscribe to Tech Goods, and enable notifications so you can stay updated on our latest reviews. Share your thoughts or experiences with this bed in the comments section below. We always enjoy hearing from our viewers. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.